I've been feeling so small.
Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do do-it-yourself Valentine's gift to your loved ones. Okay? The only thing I bought is this one. It's for you to stick, to put this one. So if you want to do something, you can do it like this, you see. And also this, and the ribbons, and we need this one too, this especially, and the refill for that one, the glue stick. So today I'm gonna do a soda and a rum alcohol cake. Okay, so this one is okay for men and women, I think, because sometimes I drink rum and that soda as well. Okay, so let's start now. I hope you can follow my tutorial. Okay, so that's it, let's go. So guys, what I did a while ago, so it won't take longer, I already did this one. This is not sponsored, okay? This is the only thing I can see and I can do it. Okay, so, and also this is a rum. This one I just got it from here, so you see it's beside. So what I did is I put them all together, and then you see this is a baking, I don't know, this one is from the baking thingy, and also this is the hard part to hold this foil. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna do, see it didn't stick, so stick like this. So they will stick together. But you guys, you can still drink this, okay? Just wash it. Next is, you see, this is what I use. It's a recycled too. Just put it like this on top. Did you see what I did? I put them all together and put the glue again so they can stick. Next is I'm gonna put the ribbons. I made a mistake. I chose this super tiny, but it's okay, we can still do something. Okay, everything has a solution. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is make a ribbon again. See, I'm putting doing like this, because I don't have big ribbons, so I'm doing the improvise. So guys, this is the final look of the soda and the rum cake. So guys, the next one is gonna be you know, the miniature alcohol, like this in a small bottle. So like this, I'm gonna make it a bouquet for this. Okay, so I hope you like it. Let's start. Okay, so what we need for that is, I'm gonna use this the popsicle stick. What I'm gonna do, this popsicle stick you can buy it in a dollar store. Okay, I put the glue, and then the one at the back, put it like this. That's hot. Make sure they stick together to make a bouquet. It's all up to you guys if who you want to give this. Okay, but for me, I'm making this for a man, like for the gentleman's. You see, you can. So let's proceed for the rest.
I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, go. I am not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show.
So guys, before I wrapped it, this is how it looks like. This is a 1 pint mug, a beer mug. Again, this is not sponsored, okay? So guys, look at that one when you make. I'm sorry for the background, that's the snow outside. So this is my finished product. You see guys, it's so easy to do it. You just need to be creative and